What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 mega cap stocks in this video. But before we get started, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Tesla, stock is down 2.23%, and this is why technicals, they always work. And I said it last night, Tesla can possibly go, a little bit higher, but you're going to see a pullback anytime on Tesla. And we got one today, down $6 on the day. And look at this rejection right here, guys. 277, 278, where we got rejected before multiple times. And now from that level, Tesla getting rejected and coming down and closing above 266. So this is going to be a key level to watch. But 266 gives up. You're going to see a flush down to 262 and then right down here close to this red line 50 SMA 256.52 to close this gap down here. Now also another way Tesla can play out, we could see a lot more consolidation again, just like we saw here and here, and now again above 262. Tesla can consolidate here for maybe next few days, and then you're going to see another breakout all the way up to 290 to close this gap on top. So Tesla, there could be more upside, but in the short term, watch the support 266, 262, and the gap below 256.52. On AMD stock, we got a flat day, and this is why I don't like this stock. I mean, look at this. Again, 103, went back up to 107 almost, getting rejected by these moving averages right here. White line and blue line sitting close to 107 and coming down and holding 105 as a support. So all that movement today on AMD was for absolutely nothing. And that is why I don't like this stock. Now, below 105, you're going to see a flush all the way down to 100. And above 107, watch out for a move up to 108. And then right here, 110, 110.59, 111.81. And then the gap above 115.49, which is a long way from here. Now it's trading at 105. On Nvidia, stock is down 0.68%. And if you look at my screen, Nvidia not getting, those big buyers buying up the dip anymore. And looks like volume on Nvidia also drying up right here. So today we got that relief rally early in the morning up to 457. And then look at this blue line 5 SMA, which is a negative slope right now. So that is not a bull trend. And Nvidia getting up to almost 457, getting rejected by this blue line 5 SMA, and coming down and also taking out red line 50 SMA 452, and now trading at 448.70 at the closing. So tomorrow, guys, as a support, 443 will be a key level down here. And just below that, this gap 435.78. To the upside, Nvidia needs to break 452 and then 458, I would say 457.84, and above that you could see a move up to 463.61 on Nvidia. On Meta, it's down 1.92%, and look at this one here, guys. Just like I said last night, now coming back and holding and retesting 300 as a support, and so far it's holding even though we're down on the day. Now also I said it last night, this Bollinger Band has to expand to the upside, and then you're going to see that, big move to the upside up to 316. And so far that's not happening. Also, we got CPI coming out tomorrow at 8:30. So this is going to be a key level to watch tomorrow, 300, because if that gives up, you're going to see a lot more selling down to 294.46, white line 20 SMA, and then 290. Now 300 can hold. You're going to see a move back up to 307 to 308 again. To this upper Bollinger Band, and once we get this Bollinger Band to expand all the way up to 316, that is going to be the next stop on Meta. And here's my X account. And if you're on there, definitely give me a follow because I do post a lot of things here on X, especially some of my plays that I take and I share with my paid Patreon group right here, like this one from today. They actually played Spy. I was playing SPX, but it was the same thing. It was really good. 30 to 70% profit on Spy and also on SPX. It came down later, but we got what we wanted. All my videos are coming out right here. Weekly expected moves, daily expected moves, my charts, and you can also get easily you can get in touch with me right here on X. On Microsoft, it's down 1.83%. So Microsoft getting up to what's the high for the day? 336.79. Not quite getting up to 338, 339 right here. And now almost taking out this support right here, this mini uptrend on Microsoft. Now, if that's out tomorrow, and that is around, I would say, 332, and right now it's closing right at that level right here. So if that's out tomorrow, guys, 332, you're going to see a flush down to 329.28, 326.38. The next support, white line 20 SMA. Luckily, this is a positive slope here on Microsoft. So yes, this thing can find support around 332 to I would say 329 and possibly can move higher all the way up to 339. And once we get that breakout and also this Bollinger Band to expand all the way up to 345, that's going to be the next stop above 339, 345.07 here on Microsoft, this gap on top. Now, Microsoft breaks below 329, then watch out for the support down here, 326.38, white line 20 SMA, and that should hold as a support on Microsoft. On Apple, stock is down 1.76%, which was expected, and I've been talking about it in my video. After the event, Apple stock usually sells off, and this is exactly what we got today. Now, I'm not short on Apple stock. I'm not buying the dip. I was going to short right here for the event around 182. That never came, so I'm not shorting Apple. And now, Apple could be going sideways for maybe a couple days before heading higher or possibly coming down and closing this gap down here at 167. So I need to see where Apple actually, which direction Apple actually picks. To the upside, it needs to get over, I would say, 183. To the downside, it needs to stay under 177. In that case, you're going to see, 173 and possibly 170, and then the gap below 167. So tomorrow, guys, Apple now trading below 177. This is a key level here on Apple stock. So Apple needs to reclaim this support right here, 177. If not, you're going to see a lot more selling down to 173, 170, and then the gap below 167. And it's not going to happen in one day. So, maybe tomorrow you'll see a little bit more selling on Apple, but above 177, watch out for more upside up to 180, 181.47 to close this gap on top, and then possibly up to 183, 185.73, red line 50 SMA. On Amazon, stock is down 1.31%, and Amazon getting a pullback because Amazon stock was running way too high with high volume yesterday, getting a massive run. I think it was up $5-6 yesterday. So on Amazon now, watch for this retest down here, possibly down to I would say 140 to 139. Came down to close to 140 today, but I would like to see it around 139. Blue line 5 SMA, and that would be a dip buy if that holds here on Amazon. Also, to the upside, Amazon needs to take out this high right here, 143.63, and only Amazon can break this level right up here. Then you are going to see a clear shot all the way up to 146. So watch support down here around 142, 139, and to the upside right here resistance at 143.63 and then 146. Amazon breaks below 139 and then also takes out 138. It's coming right back down to 136 and then 134. On Google, stock is down 1.21%, so slightly down on the day, nothing big. The trend is still bullish on Google stock and it's holding slightly under blue line 5 SMA 136.52, but we do have strong support at 135. So Google can hold above 135. You're going to see a move all the way up to 140 on Google stock. Below 135, watch out for the support down here, 133.43, and then a quick trip all the way down to 130 possible on Google stock. On Netflix is down 2.40%, and this one we got a massive move to the upside, hitting 450 and going slightly above 450 multiple times and getting rejected. And now if you look at my screen, came down, took out this support 442, 443, and now it's trading just above red line 50 SMA 433. So tomorrow, guys, 433 can hold on Netflix. You're going to see a move back up to 442 to 443, and above that 450. Now to the downside, 433 gives up on Netflix. You're going to see a lot more selling down to 426.77 and then 419.